ukuthi sincede ukuthi umntwana angcwatshwe since vele wahlala about maybe 6 months bengekho right ngoba nathi besizama ukuthi nathi sisize then sathola safinalize ukuthi okay fine sharp kungaba nabantu bangasiza ukuthi yonke into ebekhona ubona izwe kube right, you understand. So nami ngifila released ngoba yonke into esemanje sinesizo ukuthi sincede ukuthi i-situation sibhekane nayo isolve.
Ha ke thuswe ke South Africa ho etsa ntho e nngwe le nngwe ka nnete ke a leboha hobane taba ena ne nkutlwisitse bohloko ka nnete ke sa tsebe hore nka thuswa ke mang. Ka nnete ke mo leboha haholo le motho ana tshwere case ke mo leboha haholo hobane o la ba le mamello hore case e tebe qetelletse jo ngwana ka tsebo ho boloka. Ka nnete ke leboha haholo.
It means a lot because we are very happy because umntwana uyolala ngokuthula and the community nayo it's ijabule kakhulu kuloko kwenzekayo okuvela from South Africa the way isincede ngakhona.
With the issue of the burial of the child, it's very sad to see a very young child who was going to be the future of this country, who we thought that she will come and bring ideas that will bring transformation in the country that we're living in, as we're relying on the next coming generation. It's very sad to lose a child in that way, first, and secondly, we just want to say that thank you to South Africa for making sure that all the arrangement, the logistics are in order. We spent it plus minus 28 to 30,000 to make sure that the arrangement are there, and also the funeral parlor that is here, that is being patient because it was a very difficult journey to sort out the logistics and the issue of the burial. It was very difficult going up and down, especially also with the issue of DNA test and also with the issue of the burial as a whole. But we managed to get everything to be done, and we are very sad that we're burying a young child of the age of 3 years. At least if it was an old person at the age of 80 who could understand, but a child who's the future of the generation, it's very, very sad. But we believe that the child will be with the Lord, and will support the family through thick and thin. We've already arranged the counseling for the parents of the child and the family as a whole. By next week, they'll be going through the counseling to make sure that they're able to deal with the issue of mourning. We'll be mourning with them as South of Africa. We are going to support them all the way up until they feel that now they are ready to challenge the world. Thank you.